XLM Stellar Lumens is going on an absolutely crazy price increase right now. We've gone from around 46 cents to all the way up to 60 cents. We are seeing a bit of a correction right now, but I'll be covering this in much more detail in the end of the video. But I want to cover a lot of news which has come out about XLM Stellar Lumens, which I'm sure you guys will be very interested in. So stay till the end. But anyways guys, welcome to the Moon Fund channel, where we're funding our bags to go to the moon. Thank you for all the support and thank you for clicking on this video, and I'll make sure that you won't regret it. Anyways guys, we're in the CoinMarketCap website right now. Just before I start, I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. This is not investment advice, but we are back in the top 10 for Stellar Lumens. We are back. We're sitting just below Chainlink, and I remember guys, last night I was looking at the CoinMarketCap website and we were actually number 9. So we are not that far away from Chainlink and that top 9 spot, which is great to see, and our volume is looking absolutely insane guys. I remember I made a video just a few weeks back and we had around $1 billion of volume, but now we have almost 5 times that, which is around $5 billion, which is actually more than Chainlink, and we are up 56% in the last 7 days and 13% in the last 24 hours. So guys, this is insane. We're currently at 53 cents, and I remember just a few weeks back we were at like 28 cents and we were worried that Stellar Lumens might be going down, but we are here. Whoever bought at the dip, congratulations, you made a very nice profit. Anyways guys, this is the news. Lightnet expands payout services across Southeast Asia through collaboration with MoneyGram. Now guys, if you don't know what MoneyGram is, they are a very big company with around $668 million of market cap, and they are a global leader in cross-border P2P payments and money transfers. So the MoneyGram's consumer-centric capabilities enable family and friends to quickly and affordably send money in more than 200 countries and territories, with 89 now being digitally enabled. Now guys, if Lightnet is actually collaborating with them, they can actually integrate with them and implement the Lightnet technology with MoneyGram's money transfer services, which will provide customers with a wide selection of payout services across Southeast Asia. Now guys, if you don't actually know what Lightnet is and how it links to Stellar Lumens, let me just show you. So essentially, Lightnet is actually a Stellar based startup, and they've raised $31 million to replace Swift, which is a payment system, according to this article, very inefficient, but they are actually aiming to replace that inefficient system to make it low cost and provide instant financial inclusivity and mobility to the 4 billion lives across Asia. Specifically, the firm is planning to promote financial mobility and inclusivity for the unbanked and underbanked Asians in that region. So all this is backed on a Stellar based blockchain, right? It's backed on XLM Stellar Lumens. So when we see Lightnet work with MoneyGram, essentially XLM Stellar Lumens is behind all that, and they are going to be taking care of all the transactions. They're going to be taking care of the scalability and all that, and it's all based on the XLM Stellar Lumens platform, which is great because now we will see a lot of volume come in, a lot of transactions happen, and I think, you know, it just makes the platform much more valuable, which will hopefully increase the market cap and the price. And guys, look, this is the main use case, right? So Southeast Asia, it's a market which is dominated by millions of unbanked migrant workers that send money back home to their families, yet have to contend with the high fees and slow service provided by the decades-old Swift system that we were talking about just a few minutes ago, and the fragmented correspondent banking network. So the high cost of this network has forced many to pursue underground payment routes which are risky and unreliable. Remittance is a large market in the region according to Lightnet, with these services valued at $150 billion a year guys. So imagine if Lightnet can get a small piece of that, that's a lot of transactions happening on the XLM Stellar Lumens platform. And guys, Lightnet is no joke. It is backed by 6 large conglomerates in Asia, which between them gives the startup access to a giant network of banks and retail outlets in the region that can act as access points for customers to send and receive cash. So guys, this is absolutely insane, and Lightnet by itself was amazing as well, but now because they're working with MoneyGram, it just makes it a lot more better, and in my opinion it will help it spread much quicker. Also guys, the February 2021 Stellar Lumens monthly roundup actually came out, and something very interesting in this article was said, which was there is also a new round of investment announcements coming up in ecosystem partners, so keep your eyes peeled for the news. There might be some very interesting investments incoming for Stellar Lumens, which is very exciting because, you know, if it's a very big investment, it can cause a lot of hype and hopefully get that price up even more. So February is shaping up to be an exciting month, and you know, they're excited about what's in store for the network and the ecosystem. Now guys, we also have another very big news article here in which TruckPay will now accept crypto for logistic payments. So TruckPay is a very decent sized company, and they are a logistics company, and they are now going to be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum and Stellar Lumens. So customers can use this to pay, which is great because it's another step forwards on adoption for Stellar Lumens and cryptocurrency in general. And if they only offer 3 cryptocurrencies as payment, then we might see a lot of people, you know, maybe try and convert their fiat or their cash or other cryptocurrencies into Stellar Lumens, which is again great for the currency. So, you know, the CEO said that the decision was spurred by the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency in the payments world, especially as Tesla prepares to allow Bitcoin as a payment method according to the release. So guys, this Tesla news has absolutely caused a chain reaction in the whole industry, where now we can see companies like TruckPay actually accept Stellar Lumens and other cryptocurrencies because of Tesla. So they're following Tesla, and guys, this is very exciting because if TruckPay have looked at Tesla and started to, you know, adopt cryptocurrencies, we might see bigger and maybe more companies start following the lead as well, which is great. So again, you know, the CEO says that I appreciate how cryptocurrencies can be used to help serve some of our unbanked drivers and contractor companies, especially ones in places like Latin America and Africa that have unstable fiat currencies. So again, you know, this is a very important use case for cryptocurrencies, and it's acting as a major adoption stimulus for these companies. And guys, TruckPay, if you didn't know, is actually called the Uber of Earth Moving and Material Supply by this article right here, which is great to see. It just shows that, you know, TruckPay has a lot of potential. Right guys, so that was all the news. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Now, you know, a lot of you guys love this section of the video where I go into the price, I talk about what's happening. So you know what, let's just get on with it. Alright guys, so we were here in my last video in this area right here, and we saw that XLM Stellar Lumens actually broke out of this triangle, which was great to see, and it was testing this very important 36 cent level. However, since then XLM Stellar Lumens has absolutely been going on a crazy uptrend, and my initial uptrend was this line right here. However, if you go in the 1 hour chart, we can see that we actually are forming another uptrend here, which we broke out of. And guys, as I was making this video, there were a few things I was looking into, right? I was looking into if we actually break this trend line, which would be a sign that, okay, we might be looking at a small dip because we have been going up a lot. And to show you guys how much we've actually gone up, that is around a 33% increase. So, you know, such a high amount of increase in the price in just one day. Even less than that, you know, you would expect for a dip to come. So what I actually looked for is XLM Stellar Lumens to break this trend line, and then we had, you know, a couple of things which were helping us out. So firstly, what I was looking at is XLM Stellar Lumens to respect this 505 support level, because in the past, in the 2017 era, this was a resistance level for us, and I wanted this to flip over to actually act as a support, which it did. If this didn't hold, I would be looking at this uptrend level right here, and hopefully I would expect Stellar Lumens to actually respect this trend line and bounce back. However, if we actually failed that as well, then I would be looking at this very key 46 cent support level, as it has helped us out in the past. As you guys can see here, this is a resistance level that we had in 2018, so I wanted this to hold and act as support as well, you know, which it did. However guys, I think we are looking very good here because we've used this 505 as support, and now we're actually, you know, hopefully are going to be making that move to the upside. And guys, if I actually draw the Fibonacci retracement level from here, we can see that we dipped to around this 0.618 level, which, you know, I talked about in my last video as well, where this is a very nice retracement level for XLM Stellar Lumens and it respects it a lot. So, you know, this held pretty well, and now we are seeing the bounce back. I'm very happy with XLM Stellar Lumens because we have seen such a high increase in the price. And now, if you guys are asking me what I want to happen, what I think will happen, essentially the reason why I actually waited to release this video was to see if this level holds, and I'm very happy to say on the 1 hour chart it is holding at the moment. I would not be surprised if we do something like this and then hopefully fuel up. However, XLM Stellar Lumens has been very bullish, and if you guys see the stochastic RSI, we are starting to see this blue line go above this red line, so hopefully we are looking at a reversal. The MACD, if you look at it right now, it does seem to be that we are almost at that point where the selling pressure will decrease, and we hopefully should see a uptrend very soon. But guys, this is very good for XLM Stellar Lumens because we are having healthy corrections, we're forming new support. So I think this very important 505 level will be good for us, and I think this should become our new very strong support level. And if you can maintain that, this is going to be very good for XLM Stellar Lumens. And guys, the cryptocurrency market in general has been having a huge dip. It's not only XLM Stellar Lumens which has had this dip, there's a lot of other altcoins which have had it, but it does look like everything is reversing now. So hopefully we should see this uptrend continue and see some higher highs. But anyways guys, that's all for today. I have kind of rebranded the channel, you know, the new thumbnails are coming in. I think it looks a lot better than before, and I changed the logo and the cover art a little bit as well. So hopefully you guys dig the new look on the channel. I'm just trying to increase the quality and content of the channel as much as I can. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you actually watched till the end, let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more content. But I'll see you on my next video.